Chapter 10. Means of Communication. Introduction to the chapter. Exchange of information by speaking, writing or using some other medium is called communication. Communication is very difficult in olden days. In modern era, various means of communication are used. These ways of sending messages are known as the means of communication. Means of individual communication. Letters. A letter is the cheapest means of communication. We write letters to send messages to our relatives and friends. We post these letters in a post box. The letters are first stamped by the postmaster and then delivered to the addresses by a postman. There are many types of letters: postcard, inland letter, and envelope. These letters are used to send messages within the country. It takes 2 or 3 days for the letters to reach the address. An aerogram is used to send messages to other countries. An aerogram takes about a week to reach. We must write correct address on these letters. An aerogram is a sheet of light paper folded and sealed to form a letter for sending by airmail. Telephone. A telephone is one of the fastest means of communication. The telephone is attached to a wire. This wire carries the messages. A number is given to each telephone. We dial the number and talk to anyone we like. Nowadays, the mobile phone is very common. It is small in size and can be kept in a pocket. It is not attached to any wire. The messages are sent through air signals. Computer. Today, computer is the fastest means of communication. We can send electronic mails and do instant messaging on computers. The computers are connected together in a network. Email reaches very fast. Means of mass communication. When we send a message to many people at the same time, then we use mass media communication. Newspaper. Newspapers are also very common means of communication. These are published in many languages and provide international and national news. Newspapers are read by almost all the people. But newspapers are useful only for educated people. Radio. It is a very common means of communication. We can listen on it. But we cannot send messages through it like a telephone. People listen the news and other programs of their choice. It receives its signal or message through air. A small radio is called a transistor. Television. It is the most common means of mass media communication. We can listen to the voice and view the picture on it. People watch programs of their choice like news, cricket matches, cartoon shows, etc. With the cable TV, many channels are available to us.